Do you hear me? All right. A blessed day, Atomians. Are you blessed today? Are you feel blessed? Yes! Siyempre, lahat ma-inspire tayo. From product introduction, marketing plan. I want to see the energy. Can you stand up, please? Please stand up. Can you shout, I am a pure-blooded Atomian? Can you shout it out? I am a pure-blooded Atomian. Full-blooded Atomian, I mean. Can you shout out, please? I am a full-blooded Atomian. Say it, Aja, Aja, Aja. Ay, hindi nagkasabay. Ayoko. Okay, can we do it again? I am a full-blooded Atomian. Say it, Aja, Aja, Aja. Yes, I feel the energy. Thank you so much po. Pwede na po kayo makaupo. Thank you. Okay. Makikinig kayo ng story ko. Right? Once upon a time, I thought my life was over. A storm wiped out everything I had built. Yung negosyo ko, yung dreams ko, syempre, yung hope ko. I had nothing left. But then, Atomy entered my life. And today, I stand here to tell you that when there is no hope, ano yun? The only hope is to have hope. Yeah, parang ang hihina na ng hope. The only hope is to have hope. Yes. Hello ang ating mga Atomians na nandito. Introduction pa lang yun, parang may energy tayo. Para kasing naramdaman ko yung antok. Yan, so gusto ko maramdaman ko yung vibes yun, yung good vibes at energy. Yan, isang pinagpalang at puno ng pag-asang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to our Atomy One Day Seminar. I'm Sharon Rose Master Zell Espiritu, proudly from Fairview Lagro Center family, and above all, a grateful Atomy Personal Platform Business Honor. Ang haba na introduction ko. Okay. Alright, so, here's my story. Sa mga hindi pa po nakarinig sa story ko, kasi alam ko may mga new members na nandito. Okay, so mula pagkabata ko po, marami na po akong pinagdaanang pagsubok at hamon sa buhay. So isa sa pinakamabigat ay noong may sakit yung aking nanay, pero she passed away at the age of 56 years old. Imagine, ikaw lang yung naging breadwinner, ano? So, ang hirap po ikaw lang yung inaasahan. Ako na lamang po ang inaasahan ng mag-alaga sa dalawa kong nakakabatang kapatid na noon ay maliit pa lamang sila. Dahil sa kahirapan, hindi na po ako napag-aral. Of course, hirapan ako mag-aral ng college. Napilitan po ako na magtrabaho na lang upang makatulong sa mga kapatid ko at sa pamilya ko. Yun po, naranasan po noon na merong mga matinding kapaguran. Siyempre, lahat po kayo nag-work na experience niyo po yun. Tama? Yes po. At naisipan ko po na mangibang bansa na lang at sumali ng pagbabanda. So, na-experience ko magbanda sa Malaysia, sa Kuala Lumpur. So, sa panahong iyon, naranasan ko rin ang magkaroon ng masaganang pamumuhay. So, masarap pong balikan na dahil sa sipag at tiyaga ko po, ay paunti-unti ko pong nakaipon po ako at nakabalik dito sa Pilipinas upang simulan ang maliit na negosyo. Ayun po, para sa akin maliit nung start, but noong nakapag-ipon ako, sabi ko, why I have to try to do mag-export ako ng saging sa Davao. Kasi alam niyo yung story ko, nagtitinda ako ng saging noon. Right? Yung banana yung panagtinda ko. Pero na-discover ko, pwede ko pong gawin itong tons na saging na i-export ko. Yan po. So yun po, sa panahon yun, nasasabi kong I really hit the bottom. Punong-puno ng pagsubok ang bawat araw at bawat sandali ay hamon kong ano ko kaya makapag-survive, mabubuhay yung mga kapatid ko. So pinagsikapan ko po na gagawin ko po iyon. And then, ito po, ang desisyon kong pasukin ang Atomy business ay isang malaking hakbang ng pananampalataya ko na maaring mailan po sa inyo dito nakarinig ng aking kwento. Ngunit para sa ating mga bagong miyembro na nandito at mga partners natin, nais ko po itong muling ibahagi sa pag-asang makapaghatid po ako ng inspirasyon, lalo na sa mga nagsisimula pa lamang. So may I see a raise of hands sa mga nag-start pa lamang mag-Atomy? Meron ba? Ayan. Thank you po. So nung naimbitahan po ako ng aking sponsor, si Ma'am Norly, Sharon Rose Master, dito nasa Cebu pa po ako noon at kasalukuyang dumaraan yung mga turning point ko na kailangan ko gumawa pa ng paraan para ma-overcome ko tong challenge ko ngayon na makahanap ng pag-asa na makapagtrabaho ulit. Kaya naman, habang ibinahagi niya ang opportunity ng Atomy, nag-alinlangan po ako. Lalo nang ipakita ni Ma'am Norly sa akin yung video ng ating first Imperial Master, si Park Jung-soo. Nakita ko yung naka-forklift 1 billion won na naka-forklift. Sabi ko, hindi kaya ito marketing strategy or scam? So I thought about it na scam talaga ang Atomy. Ngunit, sa kabila ng lahat ng pagdududa ko, isang tanong na paulit-ulit na bumabalik sa aking isipan. Sabi ko, bakit kaya itong director of nursing, maganda naman yung trabaho niya, yung sweldo niya. Bakit napaka-seryoso at napaka-passionate niya magkuda-kuda kung saan-saan, kung sino-sinong nakikita niya, kinakausap niya at nag-share ng Atomy. So at doon nagsimula pong nagbago ang aking kaisipan. Yan. So, ang tanong na yon ay naging turning point ko para bumalik dito sa Maynila at simulan ang bagong yugto ng pakipagsapalaran ko po sa buhay. Ayan. So, sa mga Atomians na bago pa lang na nag-umpisa. Ito po, ang Atomy po, kung makikita nyo, napakaganda ang business na ito. Bigyan nyo po siya ng chance. Bigyan mo siyang aralin niyo po ng mabuti. Kahit paulit-ulit ang seminar, stay lang po kayo dito at magtuto. Ayan. So, to be honest, when I first joined Atomy, I had a little belief that I could succeed or build a better future. So I only became a member because Ma'am Nori registered me. So pinaregister niya ako na wala akong kaalam-alam na hindi ko maintindihan ang business na ito. So part of my job as personal assistant, yan. So nag-register lang ako ng mga members niya at na-register din niya ako. And then, like some of you here, I joined Atomy simply by, I couldn't say no. Diba? Minsan hindi tayo makasay no, nahihiya tayo. So yun po, nakasali po ako kasi alam ko naman na free and no quota. I thought, why not? There's nothing to lose. Wala man na mawawala sa akin kasi libre lang naman. But God is truly good. He surrounded me with people who guided and encouraged me until I began to see Atomy not just as a company, but a real global business opportunity. Yes. And Atomy is no small ventures. Huwag niyong maliliitin ang company na ito. Because it can transform lives. Not only ours, but even those of our future generations po. And here, there is hope. A hope that reaches into tomorrow. So as our chairman inspired us, sabi niya dito, hope is the only hope when there is no hope. So when I had the chance to take a photo with him, kita yung napaka-passionate niya mag-lecture, contagious talaga sobra, it reignited my spirit. and made me believe once more that dreams are within reach. Lahat tayo may dreams, di ba? So, yung dreams na yan, yung passion na yan, tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan. Okay? So now let's take a moment of gratitude to thank those person nga nag-introduce po sa inyo. To say thank you. Those people na nag-invite po sa inyo, that they are the one who introduced you to this global business. Say thank you to them. Just a simple path to say thank you kung bakit nandito po kayo. Ay, walang energy. Thank you. Just say thank you for inviting me here. Yan, so gawin po natin ito na paulit-ulit kasi ang ganda po ito na opportunity, di ba po? Pag nag-thank you tayo, hindi mo makakalimutan yan, siya yung nag-invite sa inyo. Okay, so let's see this. So alam po ninyo, there's a truly powerful practice here we embrace in Atomy. It's called writing our life scenario. So, sino nagsusulat ng life scenario dito? Pakitaas ang kamay. Oy, konti na lang sila. So, hindi nagsusulat. Ako, sa totoo lang, nagsusulat ako ng life scenario, hindi naman araw-araw. Pero, ina-update ko siya. Diba? Yun ang ginagawa natin. We may not be a movie directors or actress or actors, but our chairman, siya yung nagsasabi na dinidesign niya ito because this is a tool to guide us in our journey to success. Okay? It's about creating a movie of our life. The version we want to use and unfold in our future. Yeah, so we must write it clearly, vividly, and if it's already real. Yan po. So because when we focus kung i-focus po natin iyon at yung mga dreams natin, lahat ng mga gagawin natin, itong Atomy, yun po, dapat yung actions natin that would be aligned with that vision, bringing it closer to reality. And of course, success doesn't happen overnight. Tama? Yes, it demands effort. It demands patience. It demands courage to adapt. But if you listen to the stories of many successful people, nakita nyo naman ang dami pong naging imperial. So that's a proof enough, nakita natin na totoo ang company na ito. So you'll notice one thing, behind every achievement is a strong mindset and unwavering focus. Di ba po? Bakit napunta sila doon sa pagiging imperial? Kung kaya nila, kaya natin mga Pinoy. Yes. And sometimes, it takes to spark that transformation. Kailangan may spark yan. Paano? Just simply sit down, gawin niyo yung life scenario nyo. Pag maging totoo yan. At syempre, dapat may action plan tayo. May mga goals tayo na gagawin. And for me, succeeding it in Atomy has never been easy. Hindi siya madali. But it has always been truly fulfilling and there is a joy. Tama? So with each step I take, I discover new hope. May pag-asa. And meaningful changes continue to unfold sa buhay ko. So little by little, through attending seminars, kagaya niyo po, watching videos of our chairman and other inspiring Atomy leaders both here and abroad, and most especially, by using and sharing our amazing products and started to see things differently. So I made a firm decision to embrace Atomy as my bread and butter and to fully integrate its products into my lifestyle. Yan po. So my journey to success in Atomy wasn't extraordinary. Pero totoo po, although, meron mga Atomyas na mabilis po sila yung ma-achieve yung mga goals nila. Pero dito po sa akin, sa experience ko po, it took me 1.5 years na maging active po ako, maging passionate po ako, at maging full-time ako na ma-involve dito sa Atomy before I achieve my sales mastership. So, those picture po was taken sa Vietnam. Nung pumunta ako ng Vietnam, I have a friend po na teacher. So doon po, ang experience ko na sobrang, grabe yung pag-market ng products kasi wala pang Atomy doon. So, I was with Ma'am Dina, our Star Master. Grabe yung experience namin, yung dalawang box, dalawang baggage ng Atomy products na dala-dala namin, and then it burst out doon sa airport. So hindi ko makalimutan yun na nasira yung bag namin sa mga products na Atomy. But those products na nagkalat-kalat doon sa airport, ay naubos namin yun. Nabenta namin lahat. At those are proof enough na pwede natin ang gawin ng Atomy kahit saan man tayo. So, yun po ang success story ko nung first kong ma-achieve ang aking sales mastership. So para sa akin, napaka-importante po ang Sales Mastership Challenge. Dahil ito po ang unang step tungo sa pagiging Imperial Master. Sino gusto maging Sales Master? Oh, may nagtaas ng kamay. Ayan po. So for me, being a Sales Master is more than just a title. Hindi lang ito title mo na maging Sales Master ka. It is actually a well-earned reward of our hard work. Perseverance and unwavering determination to success. So after my Sales Mastership Challenge, my perspective is totally shifted. Okay, and my faith changed. From feeling hopeless and empty, I began to believe again, to believe that in Atomy there is hope, and that one dreams can indeed become reality. So to those of you who are thinking of taking a big leap, go for it. Sa Bisaya pa, padayon lang. Embrace your mastership challenge. Walk this path with courage, commitment. Yun ang pinaka-importante. May committed tayo. And of course, with faith in God. Okay? And as for me, I surrendered my plans to God dahil siya naman talaga ang nakakaalam lahat. And now, I continue pressing forward with faith in my heart and purpose and in my steps. God willing, I too will reach the top with my partners. Okay, in the years that followed, naging Diamond Master po ako. So I worked heartedly with dedication, enthusiasm, and unwavering faith in God. Side by side with my sponsors and partners as we built our team. Of course, you cannot achieve itong pagiging Diamond Master mo or Mastership Challenge mo without your team. Together, we faced challenges head-on. That COVID-19 pandemic tested not only our business, but also our resilience, our unity, our faith. Yet through those trials, we grow together. Ayan, may mga challenges man tayo, pero mag-grow kayo together. And that is why I'm deeply grateful that in 2023, I was recognized and awarded as Diamond Master. Yes po. And that milestone made me possible not only by the grace of God and by the continuous blessing of having amazing and committed partners who never give up. So, grateful po ako sa Panginoon dahil siya naman talaga nagbibigay sa akin at naglilid sa akin sa mga tao po na nakakasama ko. So, and just last year po, I once again stood on the stage as our Success Academy na ako po yung naging Sharon Rose Master. Yan po. Isn't that proof enough na in Atomy, walang imposible po dito. Kahit wala kayong pinag-aralan, di kayo college degree, walang pinipili, di ba po? Atomy truly offers life-changing opportunities. And these are not just promises. Hindi lang puro promises. These are real. They are doable. And they are within reach. So to all our fellow Atomians na nandito at sa mga nanonood, if we do Atomy the right way, with sincerity, with consistency, and with faith, God willing, we will all be blessed. Amen? Yes. And He will surely guide us and surround us with right partners. And right mentors, of course. Kailangan natin ng mentor. Kaya, kung magtatanong ka sa mga leaders mo, sa mga sponsors mo, okay yan, kasi gusto mong matuto. Okay? And of course, the right people will walk with us on the beautiful journey. So at this point in my journey, I can confidently say that Atomy is truly life-changing. Ayan po. So there was a time when I had almost stopped dreaming of a better future. So believing that without college degree, I had no chance of finding a promising livelihood or reaching my aspirations. Kasi minsan ito yung makapastop sa atin eh. Paano ako magtrabaho na magandang trabaho? Hindi naman ako nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Diba? Yun ang lagi sinasabi natin. Pero dito, hindi kailangan na college degree ka. Diba? Ang ganda? Basta meron kang boses na kumuda, na imarites ang Atomy. Pwedeng-pwede kang maging successful dito. But through Atomy, I discovered that hope is always within reach. Lagi nating tandaan yan. Atomy is a platform that doesn't judge you by your past. It sees your potential. It gives us, each of us, an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to move forward. With every training we attend, every product we use, every product that we share, and every challenge we overcome, we move closer to the life we've always wanted. Because here in Atomy, we're not only given the chance to pursue income, and we're given the chance to pursue a balanced life. Sinong gustong magkaroon ng balancing pamumuhay? Yan. Thank you po. Lahat tayo, di ba? So imagine this today. I can at least support my sister. Nakasuporta ako sa kanila by doing only this, Atomy. So, hindi ko magagawa ang mga bagay na to kung hindi ako nagsusumikap dito. Okay? So, yung sister ko na college degree, tinutulungan din po siya. At I have my two niece na nasa senior high pa. Okay? So I am proud to say that because of Atomy, I have become a continuing blessing to my family. Thank you, po. So how do we get there? Of course, step by step, through our 7 mastership levels, each is a milestone. Each one is indeed a victory. Okay, so back then, whenever I traveled abroad, it was always for work. Diba? Pag mag-abroad tayo, kailangan nating makahanap ng trabaho, mga OFW, diba? So, kailangan nating maghanap ng hanap buhay sa ibang bansa. And that journey is often filled with fear and uncertainty, never knowing what awaited us in the foreign land. But now, through Atomy, traveling abroad has taken on new meaning. Siyempre, because it brings us joy, excitement, gratitude, because I know I'm heading to destination prepared for us. Places where I can truly experience the blessings that God has poured into our lives. Ayan po. So, Atomy is indeed a blessing from God, unfolding through a series of life-changing moments. Just this year, I had the privilege to travel to Jeju Island with my sister and with my business partners. Yan po. So we were treated a 5-star accommodation. Ang sarap na mga food. Di ba po? Na-enjoy namin mga pagkain, mga magagandang tanawin, sobrang ganda na mga lugar doon sa Jeju. And it's very unforgettable experience, of course. And all the courtesy of Atomy Philippines through the travel incentives sa Atomy. And thank you so much, Atomy Philippines, for this experience na nagawa namin. Sobrang ganda. And hopefully, lahat ng mga na-promote as Sharon Rose Master, of course, makapunta din po sila ng Jeju. Sino ba maging SRM? Sino magiging Sharon Rose Master na gustong makapunta sa Jeju Island? Yeah, marami. Yeah, sa susunod kayo na po. Now, traveling abroad is no longer about survival. It has become a celebration. And it is no longer just a pursuit of livelihood, but a joyful part of our journey towards success and fulfillment here in Atomy. Okay, so looking back in my traditional business, I took risk big ones, even when they felt overwhelming. So, na-experience ko dun pong mga nagbe-business ako ng ganito. So, sobrang hirap, pero nakita ko, yung mga hardships na yan, mga uncertainty na yan, is, yun po yung drive ko na nagawa ko po siya. At this point in my journey, I can confidently say that Anthony is truly life-changing. So, there was a time when I had almost stopped dreaming. Diba po? Sinasabi ko, hindi siya madali. Hindi siya madali, but dahil sa continue yung paggawa natin sa business na ito at continue nating gawin natin yung mga dreams and goals, makikita natin yung achievement natin dito sa Atomy. And the same is true with this talents na binigay ng Panginoon sa akin na before singing, yun po yung ginagawa ko noon before I met Atomy, na kumakanta sa ibang bansa. But before, singing was something I pursued with excellence because it was my livelihood and a way to earn a living. So, but now through Atomy, I've come to see that it is more than just a business. It is a tool for achieving a balanced life. And so today, I offer my talent in singing, not for income, but primarily to glorify God. So after all, everything belongs to Him, most especially sa buhay po natin. So that is why it is so important to cultivate and use the talents and resources He has entrusted to us. And not for our own recognition, but to honor Him, to magnify Him, and to let His goodness shine through us. At gusto ko pang bigyan ito ng emphasis na ang life scenario natin sa Atomy, hindi lang naman basta-basta setting goals lang. Okay? So ito ay personal na blueprint po natin para sa ating mga pangarap sa buhay. And it helps us see our dreams more clearly and it gives us step by step in turning them into reality. Kaya, napakahalagang seryosohin natin ito, ang business dito sa Atomy. Let's commit and writing our dreams, then break them into concrete, actionable steps para mas madali silang sundan at tuparin. At sa totoo lang, marami po sa natin mga goals na sinusulat yan. Kagaya ko po, daming goals ko na isulat sa aking life scenario. Pero, hindi na naman lahat maging totoo. But unti-unti, may naging totoo. Yung pagiging sales master ko, pagiging diamond ko, yun, nakita ko po na may mga bagay pala na nagiging totoo siya through writing our life scenario. Pero alam nyo, ang mismong proseso na ito, ang pagtitiwala sa mga pangarap natin at pagsusumikap tungo sa katuparan nila, ayun ay nagbibigay sa atin ng kagalakan at patuloy na nagbibigay sa atin ng inspirasyon. So, it is the ongoing pursuit, this journey of faith and effort that fuels us. It gives us fuel, both my personal growth and my business growth. Alright, so the remaining parts of my life scenario are now centered in three main goals. Ito po yung first is, we have to understand the very essence why we are here in Atomy. It is not merely about pursuit of material wealth. It is about discovering a deeper purpose, one that leads us to a life, balance, fulfillment, and joy. So for me, that purpose is clear. Clear to live a retirement that a friend rich, money rich, and time rich. A life where abundance is measured, not only in currency, but in connection, freedom, and well-being. Imagine, gumigising kayo sa umaga na hindi kayo nagmamadali, di ba? Relax kayo, sobrang relax. Hindi nagmamadali kayo kasi may hinahabol kayo na oras. And then you're enjoying your coffee. Yun. Nung time na yon, inimagine ko yan na meron na akong passive income, na-enjoy ko ng passive income ng Atomy. So it will happen in the future. Right? Yes. So there's no rush, only time, beautifully yours. A morning walk with a dear friend, laughter echoing down familiar paths, a leisure, kumakain kayo ng maganda, masasarap na pagkain, share kayo ng mga stories, di ba? And filled with gladness and gratitude. An afternoon of quiet creativity. Yun po yung mga in-imagine ko pag by the time na maging imperial master ako. Yan. I could travel around the world kasama yung mga partners ko. So this is the kind of life that Atomy makes possible. A life where dreams are not just imagined, but lived. So my fellow Atomians, let me pause here and talk about something deeper, about hope. Okay? Hope is not just a word. We whisper this in hard times na it is a fuel that keeps us moving when results are slow. So when partners feel discouraged or when challenges seem bigger than us, according to hope theory, ayan, sa theory po yan ha, hope is more than emotion. It's a mindset. It has two simple parts. One is agency, which is the willpower to keep going, to act, to sustain effort toward our goals. And of course, the pathways, which is a way power to discover new solutions when the old ones don't work. And put together, those two make us resilient, then give us strength to adapt and persist and to rise again, even when setbacks come. So here in Atomy, we must always hold on to hope. As like what Chairman Hangul Park says, when there is no hope, the only hope is to have hope. So that means, yes, even when circumstances come, even if circumstances feel impossible, hope itself becomes our strategy. Research shows that people with higher levels of hope set bigger goals, push through obstacles, and achieve more. So let us write hope into our life scenario. That let be that hope, yung hope na yan is magiging ink that fills our dreams. Because in Atomy, hope is not just a feeling, but the foundation of success. So the spark that keeps us dreaming of a brighter tomorrow. At isa pa sa pinakamahalagang layunin ko po ngayon ay makita ko po yung mga partners ko, mga business partners ko, sila ay magtagumpay din. At makapunta kami sa iba't ibang bansa na mag-create kami ng syempre mga future business partners natin. So I continually pray that more auto consumer partners will join us and that we will be able to establish educational centers to many places, serving as a hubs of learning and empowerment. So likewise, with high hopes, I envision myself traveling with one city to another, from one nation to next, helping our partners grow their teams, of course, strengthen their businesses, and fulfill their own dreams. At sa totoo lang, walang hanggang biyaya. Yun ang binibigay ng ating Panginoon sa atin. At naniniwala din po ako na marami pong mababago ang buhay. Hindi lang po sa health natin. But it's our, of course, financial, lahat po ng ito. And of course, the spiritual aspect po. And for now, I see myself as one of the pillars of our FLC family, a long-standing mission to serve the youth. Sa dami ng hirap na pinagdadaanan ko po, mas lalo akong nagnanais na makatulong po sa mga youth po namin sa church. So malait man na mga kakayanan ko na maibigay sa kanila, ito po ang aking dalangin. Na ito po yung pangunahing ministry ko po sa Panginoon na maibahagi ko ang aking pag-ibig kay Jesus Christ na makapag-share din po ako ng gospel sa iba. at maka-inspire din po sa iba. So alam ko pong madalas sinasabi ng iba na ang pangarap ay mas madaling banggitin kaysa tuparin. Di ba po? Pero, ngunit dito sa Atomy, we believe in the power of words. Di ba? Ano nga yung ating theme this year? Words over matter. Yan. Yan po yung slogan natin sa 2025. Ang ating mga salita ay may kapangyarihan. Our words is powerful. Yeah? At ito ay napatunayan na dito sa Atomy marami pong magtagumpay na mga Atomians. Right? So totoo pong minsan, mahirap ang daan, pero mas mahirap po ang buhay na kapos at walang balanced life. Agree? Yes. Kaya ako, patuloy ko pong gawin ito. Kahit minsan nadi-discourage tayo, that's normal. Yung mga tinatawagan mo, nawawala, nagsay yes at hindi uma-attend, that's part of our journey. Enjoy mo lang yan. Walang sumasama sa'yo sa seminar, I feel you. Ganyan po. But continue lang po tayo. May ibibigay ang Panginoon para sa atin. Para sa inyo. Amen? Yes. Kaya ako po, patuloy ko pong ginagawa ang Atomy. Wholeheartedly. So ito po ang Fuseway ko. So na-share ko na din po ito. Gusto ko pong ibahagi ulit ito sa inyo, sa mga bago po na nandito. So alam ko pong bawat Atomian ay may kanya-kanyang diskarte kung paano mapagtugumpayan ang business na ito at maging successful dito sa Atomy. Pero sa akin po, ito po yung i-share ko sa aking experience, sa aking karanasan. So I call it a Fuseway. Ayan po. So na-share ko ito nung ako yung naging sales master. So ganoon din po sa Atomy, kung hindi ko gagamitan ng Fuseway ko, hindi ko magagawa itong Atomy na maayos. Diba po? So ano nga yung fuse? Naalala niyo pa ba? O naalala nila. Okay, ano nga yung fuse? Is an acronym, which stands for, F stands for following Atomy's success system religiously, and U stands for using Atomy products with hope and joy, and S stands for sharing testimonies and caring for others, and E stands for engaging group challenge with business, with humbleness in spirit. Yan. So, yan po. Nung pinili kong gawin ang Atomy business, ang una kong ipinangako sa sarili ko ay sundin itong Atomy success system ng buong puso. Kaya sa inyo, nag-attend ng first time, I hope, pakita ko pa rin kayo ng second time hanggat maging Imperial Master kayo. Okay? Okay ba yan? Every ODS, every Success Academy, wala kayong absent. This is our success system in Atomy. So ako, I continuously attended our Success Academy with my partners. And each time I walked, nakita ko po yung mga natutunan ko at mga na-inspire ko sa mga, syempre, mga Atomians na napopromote. Doon ako na-motivate. Doon ako na-inspired sa mga stories nila. So ayokong palampasin ang one-day seminar. In fact, minsan, yung mismong, nung time na yon, naka-experience din po ako na mag-host. Ayan po. So, yun po, lahat po yun na nakikita ko at nag-a-attend ako ay nakatulong sa akin na maging successful ako dito sa Atomy. Yan po. So, I started using our Atomy products with hope and joy on the very day when I become a member. So, ang unang produkto na gamit ko is our evening care set. Yun po yung nagustuhan ko na produkto. So, alam ko some of you here, doon po kayo na pa-member sa Atomy dahil sa products. Yes? Nagustuhan niyo ang produkto. Yan. So, yan po. Pag ikaw po ang naging member sa Atomy, reminder ko lang po, pag na-register po kayo, bili agad kayo ng products. I-try nyo agad. Huwag kayong magpabukas. Kasi pag bukas, iba na yan. Hindi na kayo magpo-purchase, makakalimutan nyo na. Kasi kailangan tikman nyo muna, experience nyo muna yung produkto para kayo po ay maging full-blooded Atomians. Ayan. So alam namin na ito po yung mga bagay na ito. Alam ko po ang itong paggagamit na produkto, isa po yung tool na tayo'y maging active member in Atomy at magawa natin ang business natin wholeheartedly. So moreover, as Atomians, ito po, let us always remember that sharing our testimonies is very important. Our products, i-share natin yung mga experiences natin. At that could be ang tool na magkaroon kayo ng passive income. Yan. And the countless blessings we receive through Atomy. At it can create a powerful impact ang pag-share ng ating mga testimonies. Yan. So, napakasarap ng pakiramdam kung atin siyang i-share sa mga tao na nangangailangan ng produkto. Lalo na po yung may mga sakit. Tama? Yes, share your Atomy can give a big impact to those people na nangangailangan ng product natin. So, hindi lang po ito para sa ating mga member partners, kundi pati na rin sa mga potential partners na naghahanap pa ng pag-asa at opportunity na malaman nila about this company. So, marami pang mga ma-experience natin rejections, but wala pong time dito sa Atomy ang mag-quit. Continue lang tayo. Okay? So, para tayo po ay mapunta sa mga goals natin na gusto nating ma-achieve as Imperial Master. So, tiwala po tayo sa sarili natin. Mas nagiging persuasive tayo na siyempre ginagawa natin para sa mahal natin sa buhay. Itong pag-a-Atomy natin. Dahil alam natin ang Atomy business ay hindi lang po para sa atin, kundi para sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Yan. Next, and last but not the least, ito po yon, is our group challenge. Engaging in our group challenge. That is a vital part of our success journey. Sino pong gustong mag-challenge sa 1630? May nag-challenge po ba? December 1630. Ay, tapos na. Okay, tapos na sila nag-challenge. December 1 to 15. Alright? So, I admit, I have failed many times din when I do my challenge. But, dito ko natutunan na kung patuloy po tayong gawin ng Atomy, patuloy natin itry mag-challenge, ito po yung key na maging successful kayo dito. Kasi paulit-ulit mo siyang ginagawa. Agree? Yes, we all dream of becoming Imperial Master. Kung paano natin ma-reach yan, kung hindi man lang natin itry maging Sales Master. Kaya ngayon pa lang, planuhin nyo na kung kailan kayo maging Sales Master. Write it down in your life scenario. So during our group challenge, we must give our best. Very best. And dapat, pag-pray din po natin ang mga partners natin. With faith, kasama ang ating mga leaders. Ayan. So let's seek support of our partners, friends, even cross lines. Kasi lahat sila, magiging part pa rin kayo sa kanilang journey. Ayan. Asa, pagkakataong ito, nais ko pong magpapasalamat sa aking mga sponsors and partners and crosslines. Kasi sila po yung bahagi ng aking journey dito sa Atomy. So, with these 3 masterships still ahead before the Imperial Master. So, malayo pa naman maging Imperial Master ako. Pero I pray to God that we will continue to rise again and again, step by step, until by His grace, we will finally reach to the top. As I continue my success journey, I firmly believe that we become part of Atomy for a reason. Hindi lang ito para sa sarili natin, kundi para rin sa susunod na henerasyon. So lahat tayo ay may kwento, iba't ibang success story. And we share our stories. We inspire others and helping others to discover na meron din silang hope na magiging successful din sila. And of course, we want to share them everything na sila po makapag-inspire kayo sa kanila na sila magiging full-blooded atom na nakatulad din po ninyo. Diba ang sarap na madami kayong na-inspire na tao? So I already believe and I'm determined na mangyayari din po sa akin na by the time comes, magiging Imperial Master din po ako. Yes, I can already picture that moment, embracing it with joy and overflowing gratitude and praise to God. Naniniwala akong magpatuloy ang tagumpay ko sa Atomy. Dahil may mga pioneers na, syempre po, nakita natin, we are already 14. Am I right? 16 Imperial Masters. Ayan, ang dami ng Imperial Masters. Nakita natin na sobrang dumami na sila. So sabi nga ni Imperial Master Ledoux in Atomy, it's a miracle not to succeed. And that's my story po. And to my fellow Atomians, who may still be hesitating hanggang ngayon, take heart, take a leap, and take action. If I did, yes, kayo din po dong gagawin ang Atomy. Pwede ba tayong tumayo ulit? Okay, let's say, I can do it. You can do it. We can do it. Aja, Aja, Aja! I'm Sharon Rose Nasser, Zealous Filter from Fairview Lagos Center. Maraming salamat po.